What's up, world? Hope everybody chilling. Oh man, it's a beautiful day out here today, boy. It's gotta be over 100. Just sitting in the park, chilling, connecting with nature, raising my vibrations. You feel me? Hope everybody doing good. Hope y'all eating healthy. Hope y'all reading stuff when you in the grocery store and you not just putting stuff in your cart. Gotta be more aware, y'all. I got faith in y'all. Humanity is very strong. That's one thing. Very strong. And I hope y'all love yourself. You gotta start saying that you love yourself. Because I love you. Love is the biggest energy on this planet, y'all. Just say positive things to yourself, you feel me? Uplift yourself. Uprise yourself. Tune into your higher self. You feel me? But I just wanted to come on here and say what's up. If you get a second, please go check out my first YouTube channel. I think that one is UPL with a period after every letter. For those of you who are just coming into your journey, your awakening, keep going. You got this. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in God. And make sure whatever it is you do, always carry the vibration of love. Because boy, we need it on this earth. So I hope everybody chilling. I'm about to get off this. Just go outside and chill. Take a walk. Take a bike ride. Exercise. Make sure you eat more fruits and veggies, organic. Or better yet, start growing your own. I'm actually about to start myself growing my own organic fruits and veggies, because at this point I don't trust nothing in the grocery store. But I love y'all. Stay strong. Remember, man, we gotta help save our children, for our children's children and their futures. A lot of this stuff in our world is to keep your vibrations real low and your energies real low. Try not to pay attention to it. It's all part of a divide and conquer tactics. We have loved ones not speaking to each other because they vaccinated, and the ones who aren't vaccinated. This is not how love should be. This is not how life should be. So we need to just keep the love frequency very high, y'all. We could do this. Like I said, if you get a second, please go check out my first channel, UPL. There's a lot of stuff on there for the ones that is just coming in. And just keep in mind, this is my opinion. I am who I am, just like you are who you are. And you also have an opinion. And I just hope more people will start awakening and using their voice to spread love, knowledge, and wisdom. Take care, y'all.